Alright, we're at the Hope Furnace. It is dark on us. It's going to be a nighttime shoot. It's located in Lake Hope State Park, and we are in Ohio. This furnace was founded in 1854, and it ran until 1875. Shut down near the end of the Civil War because they no longer needed the iron that it made. Got a sign up there. We'll see it. There's a little bit of information about it. This furnace actually manufactured a lot of the pieces used in the Civil War, and on a good day, it can produce 15 tons of cast iron. It was fueled by the coal from the nearby town of Moonville. Like I said, it's located in the Lake Hope State Park, right off the side of the road. There's parking. It's really easy accessible. And if you see there, it says one of 69 charcoal iron furnaces. The Hanging Rock Iron Region. Get a closer look here. This one says Big Sand Furnace, and they're not for sure if that was maybe a previous name or a name linked to this furnace. Hopefully you can see what we're looking at, even though it is really, really dark out here.
That is really deep.
Kind of get a closer look here. I don't know if you can maybe squeeze the camera in so you can see without the fencing in the way. See what it looks like. See the ventilation for it. Massive structure. say at one point in time, all of this, you can see there's rubble laying everywhere. This structure and this structure were actually connected.
And behind it.
And behind it, yes. That you just tripped over.
Yeah, there's some stuff.
And this is the Hope Furnace, one of the many furnaces around this area for the 19th century coal boom. And I will be posting more information about it in the description of the video. Be sure to check that out. And this concludes our visit to this because we both are kind of cold and freezing. It is around 20 some degrees right now. Well, like what, 28 degrees?
Something like that.
It snowed on us all day. But, as always, thank you for watching, and give us a like on the video, and subscribe for alerts for new and upcoming videos.